आयतारा राती झडपी पावस सोमाराय सकाळीं चालू आसलो. राज्यांत ह्या फावट मायातूच पावस दाखल जाला. ह्या फावट पावस 24 मे मेरेन केरळांत दाखल जातलो आनी उपरांत 1 जूनाक पावस गोंयांत येतलो असो अदमास वेधशाळेन उक्तायला. मात सद्याक पडपी पावस हो समर पावस आसा म्हूण हवामान खात्यान सांगलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
This is basically summer rain, and it occurs in the month of May, in the later part of May month. So when there is lot of heating, so the local heatings are there. So due to heating, local development starts. These are the local system. There is no specific system. Only the moisture incursion is taking place over the region, and that is due to the wind direction has changed to southwesterly. Southwesterly winds are bringing moisture from Arabian Sea, and there is lot of heating, so the moisture is uplifted. So rainfall is occurring, and this type of rainfall will be not continuous. This will be for a short period. So today we have received that during last 24 hours throughout Goa, most of the places there was good rain, and the Valpoi recorded 42 millimeter, that is the maximum rainfall, and for next 24 hours we are expecting that light to moderate rainfall will occur at many places. After that, the second day, the forecast is light to moderate rain will be at isolated, means less places, less than 25% places rainfall will be there. After that, weather will be dry, and due to this rain, maximum and minimum temperature has gone down, and we are expecting tomorrow that maximum temperature will be around 30 degree today, and minimum temperature will be around 24 degrees Celsius. This is not a monsoon rain. Monsoon reaches around 6th of June over Goa. So pre-monsoon rain will be in the first week of June or the last 2-3 days of the May, because after pre-monsoon there should be monsoon rainfall. So this cannot be considered as pre-monsoon. This is a summer rainfall. At present there is no port warning or fisherman warning, because wind speed is not very high. Wind maximum wind recorded is around 10 knot over Panje. So 10 knot is not very high. Normally when the wind speed crosses 20 knot, then we give the port warning or fisherman warning. So at present no warning has been. During monsoon 4 month, June to September, Goa received normal rainfall. Normal rainfall for Goa is 2500 millimeter, and around 2500 millimeter, because it was 99%. So around 2500 millimeter last year it was recorded. This year, as per long range forecast of IMD, monsoon will be normal over India. Regional specific forecast has not been given. It will come in the month of June, second week of June. This region specific rainfall will be forecasted for monsoon. But as per our estimation, we expect that monsoon this year over Goa will be normal, because all India monsoon rainfall is normal. So we are also expecting that the Goa will receive normal rainfall during monsoon.